Hello again, welcome back. I was approached a little while ago by a company in China called Findbuytool and was asked whether I'd be interested in reviewing their wood-turning tools. Now, if we're honest, we're always a little bit skeptical of Chinese imports. However, I went onto the website and I was quite intrigued, and they're offering cryo-treated M2 high-speed steel turning tools. So I thought, I'll have a go. So I accepted their invitation, and I'll tell you straight away, they sent me the tools free of charge. I'm not getting paid for this review, but I'm going to give an honest, complete review. And what I'm doing in this sort of part one is just doing an unboxing and first impressions of the quality and the tools themselves. And then I'm going to give myself a couple of weeks to do some intense turning with them, and I will obviously video that and give my thoughts as I'm going through each tool and my final thoughts at the end of the next video. Now, normally when I've ordered things, not very often I have, I must be honest, but when I've ordered things from China, they can take anything between 2 and 3 weeks. And on the odd occasion I've had to pay an import tax as well. I'm assured that delivery is free. This is to the UK. I don't know about other parts of the world. Delivery is free of charge and there are no import taxes, and there certainly weren't any import taxes on this. From day of delivery, dispatch, I beg your pardon, from day of dispatch till I received them was 7 days. I haven't opened them, which has been difficult, but I haven't opened them. I'm going to open them and let you see what's in the box and my first initial thoughts. Okay, let's get on with that. Seems to be quite well packed. And there's a box inside here. Let's put that down there for now. Nice sturdy box, and I will come in closer when I actually have opened it up. Some foam packing there to make sure they're nice and safe in transit. First appearance, very good. What I'll do is bring you in a bit closer and we'll go through each tool and my initial thoughts on each one. So there are 6 tools in the set. They all have ash handles and stainless steel ferrules, and the set comprises of a round nose scraper, a diamond parting tool, a radius skew, a 1-inch radius skew, a 1-inch spindle roughing gouge, a 3/8 spindle gouge and a 3/8 bowl gouge. If we look at the scraper to begin with, you pick it up, it's got a nice heavy feel to it, it's solid. The bar stock here is 6mm, which is basically standard for this type of a tool. It's got a slight burr on the end. When I do the part 2, I'll be taking each tool and using it with the factory edge, and as we all know, we normally have to put an edge on ourselves, and I will do that for each one as well, and be putting each tool through its paces, see how long the edge lasts, etc, etc. But all in all, it feels a really nice tool. I like the longer handle. As I've said, these are 21 inches long and or 530mm. And a particular thing I like is with the stainless steel ferrule, I mean, it looks nice, it looks good against the stained ash handle. But if you can notice there is a slot actually in the ferrule itself. So the tang of the tool is going into the wood, obviously, but it also has that extra bit of support there with the stainless steel ferrule, and I'll show you it's the same on all of the tools, and I quite like that. And as I've explained, it's M2 cryo treated HSS steel, and yeah, the scraper is a nice tool. Now we come to the diamond parting tool, and again, as you can see, there's a slot in the stainless steel ferrule for extra rigidity and stability. A nice handle. Again, this one is 21 inches, and the thing I like with the longer handles, depending on the work you're doing, etc., you can find a place that's really comfortable for you depending on your turning style and also the job in hand. And then we go to the radius skew. It normally would come with a straight over grind, but I did ask for a radius because you know I prefer those, the wimp that I am. Again, a nice weight, good balance on it, nice polished steel as with all of them, and again the tang goes into the ferrule. So again, that does feel as if it's really good enough to use, so we'll try that in the next video when I do the total review. 1 inch spindle roughing gouge. This one is the shorty of the lot, that's 19 inches, the total tool. The handles are all the same size, but the tool's slightly shorter on the spindle roughing gouge. Again, it has an edge. Whether it's going to be good enough to do much turning, I don't know, but we'll try that, as I say. Then we come to the 3/8 spindle gouge. Now these are 21 inches long, or 530 mil, which is even longer than these long ones here. So again, you've got plenty of flexibility where you'd like to hold it for the job in hand. And here you can see there's a round hole, if you like, in the stainless steel ferrule, and the bar goes into that, which gives you that bit of extra rigidity. A nice long flute. Again, the edge it's okay, but I think it would need touching up before I actually turn with it, but I'll give it as near the same grind as it comes. It'll obviously be a hollow grind because I do it on a grinder, not a linisher like they do in most factories, with a slight wing there. Not quite a straight over grind. Well, it is a straight over grind really in my book, but nevertheless we'll use it as is and see how it goes. And the same with the bowl gouge. 3/8 bowl gouge, again a very small, there is a bit of a wing on that one actually, and it feels very good in the hand. So initial impressions, I'm rather impressed and surprised, I have to say. Well, that completes the first part of this two-parter. Initial thoughts, I'm quite impressed and surprised, I'll be honest with you. The whole set looks quality. I'll be putting it through its paces over the next couple of weeks, each tool, and I will review each one separately and give my final thoughts on the package at the end of it. In the meantime, thank you very much indeed for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers now.